The dramatic black racks of the JennAir Dishwasher are inspired by the beauty of volcanic glass, showcasing clean dishes in striking contrast. The lower and middle racks feature adjustable tines, allowing space reconfiguration to handle uncommon cookware on special occasions or adapt to the everyday. Strong and stable, the largest third-level rack in the luxury industry glides smoothly and quietly, even when fully loaded with tapas bowls, large rocks glasses, and cocktail shakers. With enough capacity for a service of 15 and the powerful TriFecta Wash System, the quietest luxury dishwasher brand never sacrifices performance.